Hello students, welcome once again into your physics lab. This is teacher Faustin. We are going to look at an experiment showing electric field runs around the charges. You know that charges are into two types, positive and negative charges. So we are going to see how those field lines appear around those charges. So welcome once again into our experiment. As you see, we have here two types of charges. The positive charge, it is a charge appearing like this. And now, if we see the field runs around this charge, you will see what happened. Are you seeing now? Okay. If you see that the field runs, they come from the charge towards the outside of the charge. So they move outwards from the charge. So this is clear, students. I think it's observed. Okay, so let us now observe for the negative charge. What happened? Okay, if it's negative charge, now it is in the opposite way now. So field lines, they are coming inwards towards the inwards of our charge. Okay, even if you can have a sensor, you can see now if this is a point in our field lines. Now you see that the forces are coming towards the charge. So it doesn't matter where the point is. But now if it comes close to the charge, you see that the forces are large. But now if you move far away, you see that the strength is diminishing. Okay, so it's better to come into the closed space of the charge. Okay, so you see that charges, all the force, it comes towards the negative charge. Now let us see, when we have two charges which are like charges, you know that like charges repel one another. So let us observe what happened if we bring another negative charge. Now, are you seeing? We see that inside of these two charges, there is a repulsion force. You see this one, it is like a neutral point. Okay, separating these two charges. So means that these charges, they are pushing one another towards either side. You have seen. Okay, if you take the sensor, it will feel nothing inside of the neutral point. I think it's clear. But now if you change the position of the sensor, okay, now you see what happened. Okay, so like charges, they repel one another. Okay, let us now see what happened for two positive charges. What will happen? Okay, now you see that likewise negative charges, so they repel one another. Okay, having the neutral point separating these two forces. So like charges repel one another, but simple. If we change and we have unlike charges, positive and negative. Now we see that they attract between them, so there is no neutral point inside of these two charges. So this is what happened between charges of different types. Okay, so now you have seen the effect of having either negative or positive charges brought together to the other charge. You see either they will be attraction or repulsion depending the types of those two charges. So this is the end of our experiment. Thank you for your kind attention. I think we shall meet next time, but make sure that you subscribe this channel to see the coming videos on time. And also make comments. Tell us what to improve so that we make our experiment clear and observable for everyone. And if you have a question, you have addition, okay, you have a suggestion, you can add. So your comments are worthy to us. Thank you very much. See you next time.